You are a billion-dollar company and you're still wondering whether you should automate your workflows? Hello friends, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal, CSO at BPX, a business process consulting company, and today we are exploring the power of workflow automation to streamline your business operations, helping you stay ahead in today's fast-moving technology-driven landscape and how to make it work for you. Now, where is the urgent need for workflow automation? Imagine this. In this era of Gen AI, companies are still taking days to resolve customer grievances. A bank that takes months to open your account, or an e-commerce company that processes refunds in 15-20 days? And what about businesses where internal approvals drag on for weeks, causing frustrating delays? Businesses like these urgently require workflow automation. Why? Because the world is moving faster than ever, and customers expect speed, efficiency, and accuracy. If your company faces regular delays, errors, or process chaos, you are 100% ready for workflow automation. Now, how do you identify processes for workflow automation? It's simpler than you think. Start by focusing on these 3 critical areas. Number 1, processes that directly impact the customer experience or CX. These are the processes that your customers feel: long wait times, delayed responses, and inconsistent service. Automation can speed things up and improve customer satisfaction by up to 50%. Number 2, processes leading to monetary loss. Are there delays in credit recovery, sales order approvals, manufacturing, or dispatches? These delays cost you money. Workflow automation can reduce errors and shorten cycle times, potentially increasing your revenue by 20 to 30%. Number 3, repetitive processes that are costly in manpower. If you have a large team, say 100 plus people, dedicated to tasks like data entry, it's time to automate. Automation eliminates human error and can free up hundreds of hours for more strategic activity. So how do you define workflow automation in your business? Here are some practical tips or hacks. Number 1, focus on high impact areas first. Don't try to automate everything at once. Start with the processes that directly impact your customer revenue. These areas will give you the quickest wins. Number 2, map your workflow clearly. Collaborate with workflow automation experts to map your current processes and implement the right automation tools, ensuring a seamless and efficient workflow transformation. Number 3, monitor, learn, and improve. Automation is a journey, not a one-time fix. Continuously monitor performance, gather feedback, and make improvements. Businesses that regularly fine-tune their automated workflows can see a 30% higher efficiency over time. In today's fast-paced business world, workflow automation is not just a tool, but it's a game changer. If your business is struggling with slow processes, workflow automation is the key to cutting costs, speeding up the operations, and delivering exceptional customer experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are ready to unlock the power of workflow automation, hit the subscribe button and visit our website for more insights and services. Let's transform your business together.